Hey there! You know you have hit maturity when all you have got to talk about is work. So here we come on a work video with me, Madhumata. We have all heard about artificial intelligence. So, today I want to talk about how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing cybersecurity in companies. As a governance risk compliance program manager, I recently visited a brand new office where we all discussed the incredible advancements AI had brought to the table. AI is being used to detect and prevent cyber threats in real time, and it is helping companies stay ahead of potential attacks. It can analyze vast amount of data quickly and accurately, identifying patterns that humans might miss. So, I have taken the initiative of including artificial intelligence in our company projects and in our cybersecurity tools so that we stay ahead of the times. One of the key benefits of AI in cybersecurity is ability to adapt and learn from new threats. It can constantly update its algorithm to better protect against evolving risk, giving companies a proactive defense strategy. So, the main motive of coming to office today was this understanding more and more vendor management and more strategies. So, yeah, let me take you to my office. Reached my office. Another very exciting part about AI is that it is enhancing data privacy measures by identifying
I
and
know this is
securing
weird and
sensitive
proportional,
information.
but it
But
is
hear this
so
out.
nice, spacious.
Let's go outside of our office. So, this area that you can see is situated right outside our office cabins, and it's filled with so much of greenery, so much of nature, and I just loved being here. And yeah, it was amazing. Okay, so as I was continuing about AI, it has come into data privacy itself. So AI is essential for companies handling large amount of customer data and complying with regulations like GDPR. Another exciting area where AI is making a big impact is in the realm of artificial intelligence and cybersecurity tools. So that is one of the major things. Now, we can buy very high level cybersecurity tools which will have AI inbuilt in them, and those tools can identify various kind of brute force attacks, potential DOS attacks, and so on. So that is one of the exciting things. Hello everyone, my name is Madhumita. Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have come to my workplace. So here I am meeting my team, and this is a new workplace. We have come here with our client. Today is again going to be a work video. Today I have come to meet my team to understand and see the progress of how the team is performing, what are the challenges we are facing, and all of that. I'm so happy to come here because this monsoon season is going on. Monsoon season is going on, and there are heavy rains all over the world. But fortunately, today it's not raining, and it is, there's so much of breeze right now, and I'm feeling so happy. And look at the greenery out here and the infrastructure, it's amazing. So also another thing that for why we all are meeting today, apart from just meeting everyone in the work, there was another agenda of recruiting better vendors for great infrastructure, cybersecurity infrastructure, network security. So for that purpose also we are going to meet everyone, and the planning is going to be there. So yeah, stay tuned. After that short intro, let's actually get some work done. So, here I am conducting my meetings and everything, updating all the work modules, whichever are there, approving a lot of requests. So, like we get a lot of cybersecurity requests which comes for reviews. What I mean by that is a lot of times many of the features have to be done live in the production. So those features need to thoroughly go under a cybersecurity scrutiny to ensure that there is no data leakage happening. So that is what we all are discussing being in a team, and I am back again. So we had just had a boardroom meeting where I had showcased all the trends that are going on in market and the cybersecurity threat trends which are there. So yeah, that was it. And again, coming back to the main point of artificial intelligence and AI. So now AI is transforming the way companies approach cybersecurity and data privacy. It has the ability to analyze data at scale, and it can adapt to new threats, automate tasks in and give invaluable insights in today's fast paced digital landscape, which is very rare. So, if you are in the field of cybersecurity or data privacy, you can always embrace these fields because it's a very, very high demanding field. And let me be very honest with you guys, there is a huge gap of good consultants, good senior manager, because many people don't understand cybersecurity that well, and I am talking about practical knowledge. So yeah, so right now it's time to eat something, so we just came to the cafeteria to have our food. So yeah, these were some tasty food that was available, and obviously this is me just chilling around during my lunch break. Yeah. Okay, so now it's the celebration time, party time after work. So we went over here. We went to this amazing place after work because it was a long time, long due. Obviously, we don't get to meet everyone every time because we are all scattered around the world. People are working in Spain, UAE, US. So today we got a chance to be together, and so we thought, why not? Let's go out for a party, not like a party kind of thing, just to hang out with each other, sit down and talk about everything which apart from work. So yeah, that's what we all are doing. So we went to this particular place, and as you can see, it is lot of drinks. We went here, and obviously the ambience was very, very nice. And we kind of arrived early, and yeah, we had a blast. This is my team cheering because I think we acquired a very, very critical deal, and I think that news just happened to come at that particular time. So yeah, that was it, and we enjoyed some light food, and yeah, that was the end of our celebration, a short trip. And before I end this video, I again want to share with you guys that thank you so much for loving my videos. Thank you so much for all the people who take out time and comment their lovely, lovely thoughts on my video. It always makes me happy, no matter what. A lovely comment always will motivate me to work on my content and come with such creative contents every time. And if you guys want to know more about my work, my profession, which is of cybersecurity and risk management, please do let me know. Please do let me know in the comment section, or you can always reach out to me, and I will be more than happy to help you guys and make more content related to cybersecurity. I hope you love this video. Tata, take care. Bye bye.